is up, everybody? This is Marshall of DonkeyJawProjects.com, also known as Plex, Planet Plex. You have entered the planet of Plex. So, I got two new modules, Roucha Legio and Viol Ruina. I don't know if that's how you say it, but from Noise Engineering. They had a Christmas special where you could buy one module for $300 and get another one for free from $150 to $250 of value, because their distortion, some of their distortion modules are going out of production. So I jumped on it. My wife jumped on it, actually, for a super early birthday present, because it's like, hey, it's a cool deal. So pretty cool. So it's not my birthday yet, but I have these. So yay, happy birthday. So anyways, these are my first noise engineering modules, and I got a little tiny patch going here, and all it is just beads. All you hear right now is beads, and in a very, in the wavetable mode, and it's just a very simple little sequence run by Zero Control, and it is going through Roucha Legio. And by the way, if you don't know, the Legio modules are, there's about 4 or 5 different firmwares, so at any point in time, I can change this module into a completely different module by changing the firmware, which is pretty cool. And so this one is like a filter thingy mabobber, so and wave folder and stuff like that. So that's cool. And the Viol Ruina is also kind of on that realm. To be honest, it's pretty much some kind of a filter situation. I mean, it is. It's a filter, a dirty little filter. So, that's cool. There's other modules. One thing that's pretty cool that I'm looking forward to is I have Trinity, which has 3 drum sounds. And if I turn this into, I forget, I think it's like Tier Legio or something. It's a drum module. So that would be cool to have on the 4th, channel of 4 Bricks Rook. I could have another drum going. So there's a bunch of other possibilities. There's an oscillator, there's a dynamics module, all that kind of fun stuff. But for now, we're sticking with what this came as. So right now it's in bypass mode, from what I understand, with this bead. So let's see what it might get. It might get kind of loud, guys. This is my first time using noise engineering modules, and they get loud. I've only just played with them just now. I just hooked it up, and I was playing around a little bit before I, got in here, set up a little patch. But here we go. Check it out. And we're just going to jam a little bit. See how this thing works. Resonance. Oh yeah, we're already getting dirty. I love it. With the wave folding, and there's all these different modes: high pass, band pass, and low pass. Band pass. That's cool. Low pass. And then this is all post or pre. I think it's in post right now. And that has to do, I think, with the modulation and what goes into when, where. And this is a stereo module, which is cool as well. So that's pre, post, and then all. All seems to be the nastiest. And then frequency. That's kind of cool. Let's go with that. Now let's check out the drums. Now this is about as bypassed as I could get the drums. So this is the pretty much the sounds from Trinity. But let's see what happens when we start using Viol Ruina. Pretty dope. And of course you can throw modulation into these things and do all kinds of stuff, but I'm still trying to figure it out, to be honest. Sounds pretty dope though. So let's go ahead and throw some modulation in, why not? Let's go into wave folding. Give it some reverb, a little more reverb to chew on. All right, so here I got patched up Trinity, and it's not being clocked. Nothing's being clocked. I got gates coming out. Everything's coming out of the black joystick too, Erica Synths. And it's just modulating the crap out of 2 channels in Trinity. I got these 2 channels are recorded. I recorded the joystick movement, and these 2 channels, all 4 channels, I recorded the joystick movement. So it's just kind of doing its own thing on its own, and as we listen, we'll kind of modulate through Viol Ruina and check it out. I'd say that's some pretty gnarly sounds. Let's get into something else. All right, for this last patch, what do we got going on? We're doing some oscillator action, and we're going to see how that goes. Right now I have 2 outputs from the same oscillator going into Roucha Legio, and it's in bypass mode, so it's very just a simple drone in the key of I don't know. So there we go. Let's see what happens when we go out of bypass. I don't even know what I set this as. Alright, that's wonderful. So we got some movement, some folding. Alright, let me turn that down a little bit. It's a little bit loud, right? Oh, there we go. Gotta love that. You don't have to. All right, let's do some modulating. How about we put in another oscillator? FM that baby. Oh. That's me. That's just the normal oscillator. That's just me moving the pitch, the frequency. All right, here we go. Let's go into this frequency. All right. All right, we got some movement. Let's get a little envelope going in there. See what happens. Slow, relatively slow envelope into the fold. Alright, that's not doing a lot yet, but... That's pretty cool. Let's bring up those drums from the last patch. Just a little bit. What I should be doing is putting this through some reverb or delay. Let's see if we could do that real quick. Let's see. We'll use beads for reverb and or delay. So just for the reverb alone, and let's do some stuff. This is definitely very performable. Pretty cool. Let's see if we get some more modulation going. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah. This does the bypass. So it must chop it up, I guess. That's interesting. That's cool. Interesting. Oh, there we go. I'm just playing with the oscillators. I'm doing a little wave folding. If you... It's so sick. Oh man, I just want to put drums to it, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that right now. I mean, I could, but that's a whole other patch. Oh man, that's so dope. So if you're wondering what oscillator, I'm just using the dual oscillator, the Buchla Tip Top 258T. So that's what I'm kind of doing this with. And I also have the quad function generator next to it doing some modulation as well. So I don't know, that's pretty dope. I think the possibilities with these modules to color whatever I already got going on is... I'm pretty excited. I'm happy with the purchase. And I haven't even gotten into the other firmwares. So if you'd like to hear more from all this and you'd like to hear me try to use the other firmwares as well, let me know. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll get into some more goodness soon enough. All right. Have a great week. All right. Peace.